Alright, so here we are. We're going to do a how to do freon in a Jeep. Oh yeah.
So you see it pressurized?
Right away.
Now watch. Because the pressurize isn't enough to keep the condenser running. That compressor should be kicking on full blast all the time. It shouldn't kick down like that.
Right, how it's clicking back and forth.
The pressure is changing. So when the pressure's up right now, it's building up, and then guess what's going to happen? It's going to kick on because the pressure switch is telling it there's enough pressure to start. These cans aren't doing it. There should be a pressure fill in here, and it's not doing it.
All right.
Cans are bad.
All right.